Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin just continues to be in this holding pattern here. We had an attempted breakout, started to look good, broke down again. Expect some volatility on a day like this where we have an interest rate announcement. But again, from an interest rate announcement today, I don't expect much. I think the market is expecting no increase, no reduction, and I think this is what's going to play out, at least if we listen to market forecasts. So I think that's going to be a little bit of a non-event. However, we can still see a little bit of volatility. Unfortunately, that breakout didn't happen. It would have been nice at the end of this triangle pattern. The triangle itself is now invalidated. Well, not really. So it can still move up from here, and the wave 5 might have started, but the triangle itself basically is invalidated with that high if we don't see a break now, because it went too high, that last high. So it's either complete and wave 5 has started, but then that strong rejection doesn't make that very likely unless it really turns around now and then rallies into the 36 to 38K region, which is still the expectation overall. But of course, I don't know if this will break out from here or if we go lower and then go in the orange count. And that's what history shows. Typically, when we get these rejections, sometimes it goes the other way. And this is now looking like a nice ABC structure, to be honest. I think it's, one second, I do still have this as a W, X, and then the Y. That's not possible anymore, but it could be, one second, let me see, because we don't want to, so this could be a W, yes, and an A, B, C. Okay, this could be the X. Yeah, it's more likely a W, X, Y, but that doesn't make a difference. So what often happens then, if we get a rejection like that, that it goes the other way, and that's what we've got what the support area is for. I mean, if you look at this, triangle either complete, yes, so one pattern complete, could now move up, hasn't managed to do so, even though it's the ideal spot to do it. So bears are still very strong here. Well, overall, it's holding really well. I mean, it's not like the bears are super strong, right? But here, they are not allowing the bulls at the moment to break through. If the bulls can do it and break above the current high, we should still get to 36 to 38K from here. What we cannot rule out is a lower wave 4, so that this wave 4 just resets a little lower. Okay, that's possible in the WXY structure, and which often plays out then if we have a failed breakout from a triangle. Remember that I said triangles, we can follow it. Just be very mindful, in crypto they often fail. They look complete, we know that they often fail. And in the end they turn into some kind of WXY messy structure. What would be a target for the Y wave? Again, just highlighting here levels to watch, you know. We take the length of the wave W, we go to the high of the X wave, and then it gives us basically the 1-to-1 ratio to watch. Let me just double check something. Yeah, it gives me the 1-to-1 ratio to watch at 33K, 33,070. That's in the middle of this orange support area, which is constrained by the, well, the Fibonacci support levels, basically. Fibonacci retracements, 33,510 and 32,580, 480. They are the key supports, and within that we've got the 33K level. That's not a very reliable level to watch, to be honest. It's just a 1-to-1 ratio. The 100% wave W has the same length as wave Y projection. It is a common target. It's the most reliable stuff we have here at the moment, but still, it's not like it has to go there, okay? So unfortunately, you know, there isn't much more that we can get out of the analysis here. It's literally just, okay, we focus on higher against support. Support is 32,480. That's the 38.2 Fib level. Wouldn't rule out that we go down there. As long as we hold in this box here, I count it as circle wave 4. If we break below it, it's the larger degree fourth wave. Wouldn't be bearish. Would short term be more bearish, yes. But then it's the larger degree fourth wave, okay, that basically matches this wave 2 and also probably in length in terms of time. Wouldn't rule out a sharp wave 4 here because the wave 2 was sideways, a running flat. So the wave 4 could be a sharp correction, even though this is now a flat structure. So they're both technically sideways corrections, but it could be that this move down is going to be quite sharp. So yeah, not much more to add. So Overall, the focus remains on higher, especially against 29,450, the lower support area. Whereas I said that ideally, even if we get into this lower support area, probabilities start to shift towards something more bearish below $30,510. But we still allow the golden ratio basically because of this fake out here that happened thanks to Cointelegraph, because it could be a diagonal, it could be an impulse, that's not entirely clear. So we wanna get a little bit more further assurance before highlighting, oh, the bear is back. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.